Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will update how the station at the moment in Kuta area on Kuta Bali Street. Yeah, for now it looks so busy. There's a lot of car traffic around this area. And you see the front me? Yeah, there is Kuta Beach, and this is the main gate to go to Kuta Beach. Yeah, this is Kuta Street, Kuta Bali Street. And now we will update how the station at the moment in Kuta area. Just follow me. I'm sorry because this camera without stabilizer. Okay, for me right side there is Hard Rock Hotel. Oh, sorry, Hard Rock Cafe. Yeah, and there is some car parking at the front. There is Hard Rock Cafe. And if you see the weather today, it's very clear. It's very hot today actually. And this car, they park it. Some people go to the Kuta Beach today. Okay, we keep driving. And if you see to the right side, there is the main gate to go to Hard Rock Hotel. Oh my God, there's a lot of people there. I mean, like a lot of car parking inside. That's really good. This looks so busy, isn't it? There is a lot of car parking inside. Yeah. Okay. Now we continue driving in Kuta Bali Street. The big hotel right side called Mercure, and also busy of people. There's a lot of car inside. Heritage Hotel at the front, right side. Yeah, also busy. It's so many domestic tourists to Bali now because this is like long holiday for our people. To the backs, right side. Yeah, this look also busy. Okay, we continue driving. If I turn right at the front, there is the way to go to Poppies Line 1. But in Poppies Line 1, still look very quiet. You can find the update down this video. Kuta Seafood Hotel. Yeah, there's some car parking there. Look quite busy there. That's good. If I turn right at the front, there is the way to go to Poppies Land too. Maybe someone know this area. Okay, at the right side of the front, there is like pick up and drop point for the Grub Taxi. It's a Grub Taxi. See? Yeah, some people there. Oh, this is lots of people there. That's good. Okay, guys. Now we continue driving, and we will see how the station at the moment at the front of the Beach Walk Mall. There is some cafe there and some people there. It looks so busy there. And also last side, there is a lot of motorbike parking in this area. Some people they go to Kuta Beach and some people they go to the Beach Walk Mall. Yeah, that is Beach Walk Mall. And there's the cafe at the front Beach Walk. Actually in this area will be really busy in the afternoon. because they go to Kuta Beach before the sunset, and some people they go to the mall to do some shopping, because from the rooftop there, we have like one spot to see the sunset from the top. Yeah, this is tourists, international tourists. They go by the Gojek, the transportation with motorbike. This application. Okay, now we continue dropping. From that side, yeah, there is a tourist. It's quite busy with the tourists, isn't it? That's good. Another tourist, right side. Yeah. So this is the parking area for the car. I mean, like, that is what the car park in this area. Domestic tourists. You see the weather today on the beach? It's so beautiful. It's so clear today. Yeah, this is the Kuta Beach. If I turn right at the front, there is the way to go to Verkura Street, like the shortcut to go to Legian Beach. To Legian Street, yes. And this is Mamaka restaurant, right side. And quite busy. There are some people there. Yeah, some international tourists there. Right side, the parking area for the hotel looks so busy. And as I told you in the video before, Indonesian tourists doesn't like the sun, so they don't want to be dark skinned because they are already dark. The student hotel. So that's why during the day it's not so busy on the beach, but in the afternoon there will be lots of people in this area. They go to Kuta Beach because the sun is not so hot and they're waiting for sunset time. Hotel, right side. Let's see how busy there. Yeah, there's a lot of car parking inside. Oh, that's good. Okay, so see, this is like at the end of the Kuta Beach. If I straight down at the front, there is the way to go to Legian Beach. But today, as I told you, I will to explore how the situation at the moment in Kuta area. And now we are in Melasti Street. Okay, let's check it out how busy in Pullman Hotel. See, there is a lot of car parking there. That looks so busy. That is good. Yeah, some people on the sidewalk. Legian Hotel, and also a lot of car parking inside. And this is Kuta at Market. You see how busy today. Yeah, there is a lot of car parking in this area, and there's a lot of people doing some shopping. Okay, if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Garlic Line, I want to show you. Now we are in Garlic Line. Yeah, there's some shops starting open now, but not so busy. But the rest, they are closed. Oh, so sad, so quiet. Usually Garlic Line is very famous street because in this area there is a lot of shop, some hotel and art market. Usually in this area is massive people, lots of people. Because Garlic Line in between Padma and Kuta. So that's why in this area is very famous. You see the shop? All closed. That's very bad. Oh my god, that is too close. And this area is like a shopping area. Oh, this is the cafe are open now. They're starting, that's good. This is the front of the hotel. Another shop open there. Yeah, Garlic Line. But in Kuta Beach was so busy. Okay, now we continue driving in Padma Street. So we'll see together how the station at the moment in Padma Utara Street. Still, yeah, this is still so quiet in this area. Straight down, there is Legian Beach. Thank you, brother. Yeah, this is Padma Utara Street. Still not so quiet. Also, tourists on motorbike. Oh my God, still very quiet. It's very sad. They are open, Yee Bar, but no people. Boxing there usually. If you ever been this area, and you ever been to see the boxing, just right there, the place. In this area, usually also very famous because there's a lot of art shop. But I gotta say like 98% they close. Three Brothers Hotel, right side. One car parked in there. That's good. Not so bad. Yeah, I gotta say sorry because the camera not stabilizer. But I just want to show you how the real station at the moment in Kuta area. BB style hotel. Yeah, some car parking there. Oh, that's good. Now we are in Padma Utara Street. So this is the real station in Bali. Actually, I'm gonna say now is better than last month or a few months ago. A few months ago, there is all the shop they closed and all hotel also they closed. But now they step by step they are open the hotel, restaurant and the shop. Raja Hotel. Oh, look quiet in the parking. You see, there is no one parking. Only one car in the lobby. Right side, Swiss Bell in Legian. Yes, some people there. That's good. Amari Hotel. Also some car parking there. Yeah, that's really good. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, brother. Yeah, so far this area is still so quiet, like a ghost town. Padma Utara still looks so quiet. Hawaii Hotel, left side, there's load car parking. And this is the hotel connecting by the beach. Quite busy, this hotel, as always. Oh. Okay, now let's turn right. This is Verkura Street. Jayakarta Hotel at the front left side. Jayakarta Hotel. And now we are in Verkura Street. And also we'll see how the station at the moment in Verkura Street in real time. Yes. Shop starting open 1:1. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna say sorry because I want to say Merry Christmas. I forget to say that. Yesterday was big celebration in Kuta area, and also two days ago I was in Kuta Beach and I get stuck down there because so busy, so traffic. Another shop, they are open. That's good. Verkura Street. Okay guys, so this is the station at the moment in Kuta area and Legian area. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.